Now we learn how to create a new project. So to create a new project in Scratch Junior, at first we have to drag the move right block in the coding area. So here it is the move right block. We have to drag this move right block in the coding area. Here it is the coding area. Then click on the number written in the move right block. Here it is the number written. You can change the number written in the move right block. So I am selecting here 4, and you can see the reflection here. The number is now 4. We have to select it first, then select 1 0. So now we are changing the value to 10 by using the number grid at the right side of the stage. So this is the number grid. So if you want to change the value, you can use this number grid at the right side of the stage. Now click on the block to see the sprite moving in the right direction on the stage. Okay. So this is the process how we can create a new project.